Welcome to another episode of 60 Formula. Today we're just going to be riding around, taking it slow. This is just going to be a video for, you know, learning how to ride around. Today I'm just going to be cruising around the neighborhood, taking it slow, just hanging out. Not going to do anything crazy today. So let's let the motorcycle warm up for just a second. I'm having a great time riding around on this 300 here. It's awesome. Just a few things. If you are a beginner motorcyclist, I will tell you, I've only been riding around on this thing for a couple weeks, 2 to be exact. I don't even think it's been 2 weeks yet, actually. And I already need more power. I need more power. It's not even a thing of wanting or like, I want to go faster. No, I need more power. Because I need to go from 1 mile per hour to another in a certain amount of time. And yeah. So I already feel the difference. This thing does kick, don't get me wrong. It's just, it's not punchy. It is not punchy. Let's go ahead and close my thingy. Ooh, that was a crappy gear shift. So yeah, like as I was saying, I already need more power. But today, just learned how to drive around. This 300 is going to be great. See, just the reason I'm having a hard time taking off at stops is because it takes so long for me to speed up out of a stop on the 300. I guess it's just because I'm afraid to rev the throttle so hard on this bike, because I learned at the Harley Davidson dealership, and they give you Harley 500s. So it's like I was working with a way stronger bike before, and now I have this baby bike. It's not a baby bike. Definitely not a baby bike. But now I have a way less strong bike. And, alright, Goosey. Now I have a way. The bike that I learned on was a 500, as I was saying. And so I basically stepped down 200 points. And so it's hard for me to really get accustomed to getting used to the throttle, because the throttle I learned on, you touch it just a little bit and you fly. I did 2 whiskey throttles in my MSF course. So twice, there were 2 times where I let that bike carry me. Oh, it was scary. But also, pretty dope, because now I'll never do a whiskey throttle again. If you don't know what a whiskey throttle is, it's basically when you lose control of the bicycle You hold on to the throttle, you let go of the clutch, you fly forward. I did that twice. It was hard for me to get used to the fact that the clutch was my main source of control and that my throttle wasn't. That was a confusing aspect for me because, you know, your throttle controls your speed, so you really want to use it. I feel like I have my thing open and it's getting windy in here. Hold on, let me check that. Let me check that real quick. Anyways, yeah, it just feels weird. I've been riding around on a 650. It's a friend's 650, and it's nice. It pulls. I really enjoy it. God, see, like this bike, you can only go like 12 to 18 miles per hour before you got to kick it in a second. And I'm going like 25 right now, just fine for this neighborhood. But look, I just got to like, just to get it going. Come on, bike. So look at that. I'm already just 2 weeks into this 300, and I'm already like, meh. I'm fucking in neutral. Come on, boy. Come on, boy. But I love this bike. I wouldn't sell it. Well, I might. I don't know yet. Who knows? You know? You can't say. But I do like this bike. I do enjoy its fine love. Sometimes it's fun to... Come on, baby. Sometimes it's fun to go faster on a bike that's not as powerful. And yeah, this throttle, you just have to throw it back in order to it's got to throw it back in order to do it, which sucks a little bit, gotta be honest. But that's just coming from someone who's spoiled, I guess. You know what I mean? Whoa, down the hills, and I want to go a little bit. I was trying to explain this to my friend just yesterday. I was like, dude, look, I don't want to go faster. I want to go quicker, faster. You know what I mean? I don't want to go 100 miles per hour on this bike, but if I want to go 60 miles per hour, really quickly, that's something that's, you know, I'd like to do. Oh, this thing's on. I would really enjoy going. Come on, bitch. They're really like going going through the yellow line, baby. See, this is what you gotta practice when you're just chilling in your neighborhood. You gotta practice turning your head always, taking your turns. Like, look at this turn right here. Don't break in your turns, lean into them, right? Don't break, keep it chill. Let's click into first, Speed right up here. Yeah, there we go. And then pause. Now I just want, what I was saying is I want to go, you know, if there's a problem, if I need to go from 0 to 45 in a couple seconds, I want to be able to do that. And with this 300, I don't feel like I can do that. Even though I'm sure a lot of professionals out there, not professionals, but people who are way better at bikes, probably would say you could do that with this bike. I don't feel like I could do it. If that makes sense. See? Not even used to like... That was a good gear shift right there. See? That was good. That was smooth. So slow it down before the turn, pulling that brake, and then just ride it. Lean into it. Yeah. Hit that throttle, let go of that clutch, real smooth. Hit that clutch, hit in that brake, take that curve, lean into it. Make sure you move your head and look ahead where you're gonna go, always. That's super important. Meow. 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 So we can go on some more. Hit the brake, lean into it, take the curve, hit that throttle, let the clutch out real slow and smooth, and then keep on chucking, boy. It's been honestly kind of hard to record these past few days because there has been so much rain, so much tropical storm stuff going on in Florida. If you live in Florida, you know what I'm talking about. It's not been good. Well, it actually has been good because there's been a drought. So, it's actually awesome. But, ugh. Whoa. Don't take me too far, baby.